Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried egg masala. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large eggs, 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and your favorite masala spices. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack each egg into the hot oil, frying them one at a time until the whites are fully set but the yolks remain wonderfully runny. Remove the fried eggs and set them aside for later. Now let's build the flavorful masala base. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it becomes beautifully golden brown. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in 2 finely chopped tomatoes, cooking them down until they soften and release their juices, forming a rich, pulpy mixture. This creates the foundation for our delicious gravy. It's time to add the aromatic spices that define our masala. Stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well, ensuring the spices are fully incorporated. Pour in 1/4 cup of water, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Finally, carefully place your fried eggs into the simmering masala, allowing them to absorb the rich flavors. To finish, garnish your fried egg masala with a generous sprinkle of fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Serve this incredible dish hot with fluffy rice, warm roti, or soft naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. It's a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.